Okay, well, if you watched the last video, we actually replaced this boot door handle with a black version instead of chrome, because obviously it wasn't working properly. And we've been buying some more little black bits for the car. So let's get to that. Let's go. Okay, so what do we buy? Well, actually, we've bought replacements to go around the lights, because I just think it will go lovely with the black. We'll probably end up losing the Cooper logo anyway at some point, but we've got the back ones and the front ones. So let's get to doing this. It's a simple job, and if you watch the video that I did to fix the number plate bulb, not a number plate bulb, sorry, the reverse light bulb, then you'd have seen how this all unclips. Very simple with some plastic pry tools. Well, let's get to it. So, just going in very gently with a pry tool and just clipping forwards. As much as we're not going to be using these again, we will keep them. So, there you go, as simple as that. They come out that easy. This one's not been off, I've not taken this one off before. So, again, very gently around. They are just plastic clips, remember. Okay. Almost off. Because you're using the plastic pry, it's not going to be damaging your paint. So when I say plastic clips, you can just see they clip in over the things, and that's simple. It's off. Now I could have wrapped these, but to be honest with you, you can get a full set on eBay really cheap. So let's take a look at them. So let's have a look what we got here. So as you can see, a gloss black surround for this side. Obviously I was going to the wrong side. You can see what an improvement I think that makes. So let's have a quick look. I think it just makes the car look so much fresher. Obviously we've got the boot handle, but look how much it just, I think it makes the car look more up to date. Well, let's get these clipped in, then we'll spin the car around and we'll get the front ones on. So literally to clip them back in, you're pushing all the way around and clipping all those clips in. And that is that. It's on. It's a very good fitment. There's no gaps, there's no nothing. I'm really happy with that. Let's get the other side done. So very well packaged. All good clips all the way around. And again, we're just going to go in and push our clips in all the way around, and the corner feels a bit loose. Look. Doesn't seem to be clipped, so I'm just going to unclip this gently. It didn't seem like it clipped in properly. Let's have a look. Oh, that's because one of our clips is actually broken on our tail light. That's what that is. So that's fine. We can work with that. I mean, the chrome ones didn't go anywhere, so these ones aren't going to go anywhere. We're just going to make sure all the other clips are on. And there you go. It's not going anywhere. It's happy. And looks so much fresher. Now there's no tape to take off of these. You can see, I mean obviously we've got bird crap. They love to crap over everything, but I just think that looks so much more up to date and fresh compared to the chrome. So I'll stick a picture on here of what it looked like the chrome, and then down here with the black. So much better. Let's get the car turned around and let's do the fronts. Okay, so I've not actually done the front headlamps before, so I've actually not got an idea how these unclip. I'm going to guess pretty much the same way. I'm going to pop the bonnet and we can have a look underneath. I just want to interrupt this video very quickly to thank Wheel Revive, who are sponsoring today's video. They can help you with all of your wheel refurbishment and repairs. Their website is up here and that is their telephone number. Right, well let's get back to this video. Let's go! Right, so yeah, they look like they just clip in. So we're going to stick our pry tool in and just see if we can pop these off and see what happens. We're not worried about if we break something because, well, we've obviously got replacements. There you go, they literally just clip off. I'll show you these. They're a bit different from the back, so I will let you see these in a second. And you can see they've all unclipped. So they seem to have like a bit of a metal clip thing on there. Metal, plastic, I'm not too sure. Let's see what comes in the box. I wouldn't expect them to come with the little clips. So it doesn't. It comes with just the, let's have a look. Compare the two. So it comes with the same ridges. You need to put your metal clips back on these. So these just slide off. And then we need to slide them on, I think. Hold on, let's have a look. Looking at that. I don't know, they might just clip. Let's see what they do. So bring the bonnet down a little bit. Just drop some metal clip. Feels like metal at least. So the clips out that are already there. I think they literally just clip in. They do. So no need for these extra clips. I don't know if you can see. I didn't have you in the right place, but literally they push in place and they're clipped on. That's it. Good fitment. Look very clear. Right, see what? Let's get the other one done now. We know what we're doing. So unfortunately my camera decided it was going to stop, but you've seen how these are changed and you can see that they fit so well. I mean, they're definitely fitting as well as the original stock. So that's the look of it. Obviously you can see I've just put the black grille on it as well. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please do hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, and hey, why not even a comment? And we'll see you in another video very soon. Take care.